Thank you for purchasing our plugin. You should have received by now the license key of the plugin, which you should enter here. Before that, what you need to do, you need to install the plugin. So to do that, you come to your plugins on WordPress. You click on Add New, and on the Upload plugin, you select the zip file that you received from us, and then activate the plugin. Once you activate the plugin, then you go to, let me move my face, you go to Settings and then Final Opt-in by SoftwareCy. So once you come here, you need to put your license key. And then once you put that, you save it, and then it will activate all the settings for you. So then you need to put your EverWebinar API key, the user ID from EverWebinar. Then you click the Fetch Webinar Name. It will give you a list of your webinars. Then you proceed and you put your URL from ActiveCampaign, your API from ActiveCampaign. You click the Fetch Active List Name and you select the list that you want from ActiveCampaign to put the leads in. On that list, basically, you can also make a custom tag for the leads coming in. And then what we have the basic. So if you purchase the basic package, you can configure it from here. So you can say the text that you want when they enter their email, when they enter their name, select the date and time for your webinar. It's the text that it's above the form. The color, you can choose a font family, the button text, the button below the text, the button color, the radius, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's like how much curved you want the edges of the button to be. And then you click Save Changes. When you click Save Changes, then you copy this code here and you paste it either on your ClickFunnels, on Unbounce, or wherever you want. So it works everywhere, or on your WordPress site if your funnels on the WordPress. Same for the Pro. For now, I don't have it here on this demo, but it's the same settings like basic. It's the same concept, and you have it working for you. So thank you very much for purchasing. If you have any questions, need any support, please get in touch with us.